Well, hi, boys and girls. We're back today to talk again about weather and a meteorologist. So come join me. All right, so if you remember, we talked about some things that a meteorologist does a little while ago. So a meteorologist is a scientist. They predict the weather, and they have a lot of tools that they use to help them predict the weather. They might use satellites that are up in the sky that shoot us pictures so that we know what the cloud cover is like up there and we can see what's happening. They use big, huge balloons that go up in the air that register how fast the wind is going, and they take other measurements for us. They use thermometers, and that helps us know what the temperature is going to be, if it's going to be a hot day or a cold day. They might use a rain gauge, and what that does is it collects how much rain falls at one time. And I know our friend Scaurio was doing a project with his dad where they actually have a rain gauge at home. Sometimes they use like a weather vane. It will help know which direction the wind is blowing. And they have stations, weather stations, where they can report and collect all of their data. So like I said, they use all of these tools to help them make predictions about what the weather's going to be. And we might see these meteorologists on the news, and they'll tell us what their best guesses are going to be for the weather. They'll let us know if it's going to be hot or cold. They'll let us know specific temperatures. They'll let us know if it's going to be windy or cloudy or rainy or snowy. And all of these things help us know what kinds of clothing we should be wearing for the day or what activities we might be able to get outside and do during the day. So we call those forecasts. Those best guesses that they make are called forecasts. And a lot of times meteorologists will follow the patterns of weather. And we have patterns even throughout the year where we've got our different seasons. Spring has certain weather patterns, winter has certain weather patterns, same with fall and same with summer. So we've got meteorologist Hess here, and she's showing us that it's going to be a very stormy day. All right. So one of the activities that I asked you to do at home was to give a little bit of a weather report for me. Okay. So let's see the one that Mrs. Hess did. And this one was for yesterday. All right. So I'm going to fill part of this in with you. It says, my name is, and that's where you can put your first name. Mrs. Hess. All right. The weather for today will be cloudy and windy. All right. It will be a good day to, I think a windy day is a really good day to fly a kite. So that's an activity that I might do out in the wind. And then I drew a picture of myself as the meteorologist, and I've got my clouds in here, and I've got some wind coming through. And then I drew a picture of me doing the activity of flying a kite. All right, so this is an activity that you can work on this week and have moms and dads take a picture and send it to me, okay? Have fun being a meteorologist.